Tired of passwords and endless security questions? A card reader could be your ticket to simpler, more secure online access and transactions. And today, we're diving into how to use one, no matter your device. Let's get started. First, ensure your card reader is compatible with your device and operating system. Most readers connect via USB, Bluetooth, or NFC. Check the manufacturer's website for compatibility information and driver downloads if needed. Now, let's install any necessary software. Head to the manufacturer's website. The link is usually in the included documentation, and download the drivers for your specific operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to install them. For USB readers, simply plug it into an available USB port. For Bluetooth readers, put it in pairing mode, usually by holding down a button, and connect through your device's Bluetooth settings. Next, access the website or application that supports card reader authentication. Look for a card reader or smart card icon on the login page. Insert your chip-enabled card into the reader. The website will then guide you through the authentication process. This usually involves entering your PIN or other security credentials associated with your card. Experiencing issues? Double-check all connections, ensure the correct drivers are installed, and restart your device. Also, make sure your card is inserted correctly and isn't damaged. And that's it. With a card reader, you can enjoy enhanced security and simplified access to your online accounts and chip-enabled transactions. Happy surfing!